Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him 12 SWAT. Buzzing all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Andre's Kitchen, where today we are going to make a Korean egg bread. Let's get to it. So first we put 1 cup of milk, add 2 eggs, add vanilla extract and melted butter, and we start mixing. Add flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Then mix it. Once it's fully mixed, we put it in our baking pan. Then we put egg on top. Now it's ready to bake. Guess what, everyone? Now our food is ready. Wow! Now let's try our Korean egg bread. Wow! Doesn't it? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
When the moon shines like ice road truckers, I look like a villain out of those blockbusters.